Recently, someone said to me, I don't know much about Eritrean history, especially before the revolution. Do you have any books you would suggest? Marhaba. If you're an English reader, I would definitely suggest The History of Eritrea by Osman Saleh Sabeh, especially to those who think that the history of Eritrea started in 1991. This is a good one. Although my favorite perspective about Eritrean history is the one written by Eritreans, I would suggest this book by Michaela Wrong, I Didn't Do It For You. It's a really good book that encompasses a lot of Eritrean history. Must read. Every book in this list is a must read. If you're well versed in Tigrinya, another great book about the history and the people of Eritrea is Tarikh Waledo Hizbi Eritrea by Mergeta Brahane Tesfa Mariam. Aine Falale by Alamissa Getesfai. There is different volumes. All of these books are great to learn more about Eritrea and its people. Let me know if I forgot any, if you have suggestions and your thought about these books. Join one of our courses on SemiKids.com and learn way more than just a language.
Culture is cool.